Boy, they've been able to bottle Hunt up. That's Clowney right there. So the league's leading rusher has now carried the ball 6 times for a total of 5 yards.
Devian Clowney starting to make some plays. They try and pull over and kick out here, but Clowney just runs right through Brian Witzman and makes the play on Kareem Hunt. Devian Clowney, a lot of people remember back in the day, they were wondering, is this guy going to be a bust, the first overall pick? Not anymore. 3 sacks, 3 hits, 5 tackles for loss. He's had a big year so far.
Oft injured the first 2 seasons, held to 11 games, but great year last year, off to a good start this year. 3rd and 5. And Smith throws, and it's short, incomplete. He had Kelsey, and you had Brennan Scarlett came in and knocked Smith to the ground. So they convert, and JJ is now down. So 3 third downs were converted, but now it's a 4th down. And Marshall is already out, and now Watt's on the ground.
Let's take a look down the field. Travis Kelce's wide open. Great move against a cornerback in Jonathan Joseph, but it was the pressure by Scarlett that made him flinch on it just a bit.
Well, the crowd is still, I mean, J.J. Watt he's a folk hero here. And I think most of you know what he did in the aftermath of the hurricane. Wound up looking for a couple $100,000 in donations and wound up picking up almost $37 million.
He's a folk hero everywhere in this country right now.
Well, 8 minutes into the game, we've already seen a couple of guys go out. We'll find out about Watt momentarily.
Watch his knee here as he tries to turn the corner. Looked like he tripped over his leg there and got in a bad position. He's on his feet.